GPS Orbit is a software platform designed to track a wide variety of GPS devices. It's compatible with many different types of GPS trackers, making it a versatile solution for various tracking needs. Asterisk key features. Asterisk real-time tracking. Monitor the live location of your assets or people. Asterisk historical tracking. View past locations and routes traveled. Geofencing. Set up virtual boundaries and receive alerts when assets enter or exit specific zones. Asterisk reporting. Generate detailed reports on asset movement, mileage, and other relevant data. Asterisk remote engine control. Control vehicle engines remotely, if supported by the GPS device. Asterisk driver behavior monitoring. Track driving habits like speeding, harsh braking, and idling. Asterisk applications. Asterisk fleet management. Track company vehicles, monitor driver behavior, and optimize routes. Asterisk asset tracking. Keep track of valuable equipment, machinery, and other assets. Asterisk personal tracking. Monitor the location of family members, children, or elderly individuals. Asterisk logistics and delivery. Optimize delivery routes, monitor driver performance, and improve customer service. Asterisk for more information please call us 98737345573.